everyone, welcome to 5 Minutes Belly Dance with me. Today we're going to learn how to travel with the hip lift and the hip drop. Let's just start with our footwork. Okay, so if I would like to travel to my right, the hip that is going to do the lifting and the dropping will be on a tippy toes. And the other foot, you can actually just let it flat on the floor, or you can also put on your tippy toes. However, it's not as high as the leg where the hip is going to do the movements. Alright, so the movement is going to be like this. If you go to the right, we're going to go open and close, open and close, open and close. And change, open and close, open and close, open and close. Alright, so this is how you're going to move with the hip lift and the hip drop. Alright, so let's just start with the hip lift. Go to the right, you're going to open and lift. Weight is on the right now. And then when you bring this leg in to close the leg, you're going to bring it down softly. Alright, and then go up and go back to neutral. Up, as you close this leg, bring it back to neutral. Lift, as you close this leg, bring it back to neutral. Alright, let's just change. Now we're going to try on the left hip. So you're going to put your weight down on the left and then bring it up. You can squeeze the glute or use the oblique muscle. In and bring it down. Up and up and up and up. Change. Up and up, 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 change, up, 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 up. I'm actually squeezing the glute so that I can really see the impact when the hip is lifted. Alright, so now let's work on the hip drops. So the hip drop would be the opposite. Alright, so again, the position of your leg is the same. One is higher than the other. One is on the 3-inch high heel and one is flat or half an inch. Okay, usually for a drop, we are not going to go front. We're not going to go to the side. Usually we will be going the opposite direction. Alright, so if I have my right leg on 3-inch high heel, okay, bended knee this way, I will basically going to move to this side for my drop. For the drop, you're going to start by lifting. When you open this leg, is drop. When you close, it's coming back as a preparation step. Drop. And drop. And drop. And drop. This time, I'm putting impact on the drop. So when I actually bring this hip down, I'm squeezing the opposite glute to bring it down. 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 I'm doing a soft lift. Alright? And then a hard drop. A soft lift, hard drop. And drop. And I'm squeezing this glute. Drop. And drop. And drop. Alright, so this is how you travel with the hip lift and the hip drops. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you again next time. Bye!